hopefully plenty of chairs and umbrellas. This is a little different. Well, I believe this is Coco Beach, and it is super fine sand with little bits of shell in it and plants, but no people. You see that? There's maybe 10 people out here. There's a bar. We're headed to South Beach now. This is Coco Beach, and it's pretty uncrowded. Vector. Hey, we found a bar. Well, this is a huge beach with a lot of chairs. So I'm going to maneuver out to the front. There's no trails really. I guess this is out to the front. So, there are thousands of people here. Okay, maybe a couple hundred. Well, I went all the way as far as I could. See, do not enter. And this area is called the Cove. There. Although it does have a lot of coral pieces and shell pieces. And shells. So, but this is the longest walk I think from the ship to get here. And you don't have to walk along the beach. I came over from the South Beach. But I imagine there's a way through the jungle there. There usually is. Like right there. They call it a nature trail though. And I'm not sure where the separation is, but I'm going to guess it's this pile of rocks here in front of us. Between Cove Beach and South Beach. And South Beach is a big long stretch. With a lot of cabanas. And of course the cabanas, you have to rent them. And they come with an ice chest and 2 chairs and an umbrella also. You'll notice the setup there. There's a cabana, 2 chairs, umbrella, and an ice chest between the 2 chairs. I noticed there's a lot of empty ones. Although I imagine somebody is supervising it, so but maybe you could sneak into one. I don't know. But this is South Beach, and it's a long stretch of white sand. And notice fewer shell pieces, fewer coral pieces, sand. The water's still a little murky, but I think that's because it's sand. And out there where it's dark, it's mud with seagrass. I know because I ran through it, trying to retrieve a raft. Restrooms, snack shack, and the lifeguard tower with no lifeguard. There's little tables and palapas in the water, and that's the bar in the water. And now the beach is getting really crowded. There's the lifeguard. I guess you noticed. I'm going to go up a little bit. unused chairs. So it's going on 11 o'clock a.m. of course. And it goes down there, and those are the overwater bungalows, whatever, and they seem largely empty. But we're going to go up onto the road. Here are the fun and games. Not sure what that is, a paddleboard kind of thing. It's volleyball. Fun bags. Lots of fun bags. Basketball. Of course, this is South Beach still. Sports pavilion. I guess you can get towels here. A mat station. They rent the mats, of course. Bar. And the road. So the road would have tram stations on it and whatnot. And I guess they want you to walk the paths rather than the road. But it's, you know, really not big enough for two people to pass if one of them is not paying attention. Of course, we came down this way, remember? And it's a long way between South Beach and Coco Beach, or whatever beach we're at next. But now I guess we're going to have to get up on the road. People have maps. Well, that's why they made us go around the building before, because they didn't want us to be in the road. Oh, wet sand. So, of course, there's signs. And I guess we'll just explore up here for a minute. Of course, there's the big balloon. Smoking area. So this is Oasis Lagoon and bathrooms. There's the bridge way off in the distance. And it looks like a shallow pool with fountains. And pavers. And I'm thinking those pavers must be pretty warm, although they're white, so who knows. A pretty crowded place, but up in there I see empty chairs, I think. So, maybe not. I do see life jackets though. And this pool, remember, goes on a long way. So we're going to go out here over to this area, whatever it is. Ice cream sticks. See the fence? I'm going to cross this path, go off here. So that's Oasis Lagoon. And there's a food place there. And it doesn't have nearly as long a lines. Well, maybe it does. Let's walk through it. See what I mean about ice cream sticks? Popsicle sticks? I guess I should have said. Lunch till 3. Ice cream. Not yet. Hey, bar. See? No line and more of a buffet style. Hot dogs. Hamburgers. Corn, fries, more hot dogs, more corn, more fries. Okay, this is where you want to go if you really want a selection. Tortillas, carnitas. like in the middle of the island, I would say. I think that's the bridge. Well, there's the ships. That's the bridge we crossed to get over. Food place. Skipper's Grill, it's called. And then this is, well, it's ocean water, but it's protected. And it's maybe not even as clear. Well, I see fish here. Lots of fish. Little guppies, minnows, whatever. Restrooms. A lot of people. Let's go to the water park. This way. I want to go back to Coco Beach for you. The pool is largely uncrowded. And I think I see empty chairs, but maybe not. Oh, over by the bars, a little more people. A few more people. So I think we're going to go right through here again. And I believe this is Coco Beach. And this is where we came first, early this morning. And there was nobody. Maybe if you looked all up and down the beach, there was 10 people. I didn't see anything on any chairs. It was empty. But you have these overwater bungalows that nobody's using, or very few people using. And so, you know, if you want to sit here, I laid my stuff right here on these two chairs. But there's a fence, and so South Beach is on the other side of that point. We're going to walk along this beach now, and I would say it's pretty crowded. Remember, these come with ice chests and lounge chairs and cabanas. So if you have a big group, maybe it's worth it. They rent wave runners, but I haven't seen any of them driving around. So I don't know if nobody wants to rent them. Lifeguard. Or you can't rent them today. I just don't know. I got a lot of them though. And I guess that's the rope that keeps you there. And see the lifeguard way out there? All the beaches have a lifeguard like out to tell you don't go out any further, I guess. This looks like a bar. Line, and maybe where you could rent some equipment if you wanted. I even see lockers over there. This side of the water is super windy. I don't know if that's always the case. I mean, I imagine not always, but this is super windy. Go to this sign. Where we're at. Remember, there's several little coves, beaches. This is Chill Beach. And I don't know if they mean because the wind will chill you down, or because it's unclouded. But my hat is about to blow off. Waves on this side, I guess because of the wind. But the sound is probably not very good on this side of the beach, or this side of the island, on this beach. But it looks like, well, I see empty chairs now, with umbrellas down, a couple more there. So, but I'm going to say most people aren't going to put up with the wind. Kids are in the water, so what, right? But if you're like a guy making videos with a hat on, another chill beach. Keep off the rocks. And another one. But that's the ocean out there. See the waves crashing over the reef. So, another 2 beaches there.